Alright, today we're looking at a certified pre-owned 2018 Honda Pilot EX. It's modern steel metallic in color. It's got 8,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, one owner. It's a local trade. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. Start here on the driver's side. Got the nice chrome trim around the windows. Got your lock, unlock button here on the door handles. Right. Driver's side of the Pilot's in great shape. Does have rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side. Got the lock unlock button here on the passenger door handle as well. Got your blind spot monitoring camera there. We'll show you that in just a second. Once again, it's a 2018. It's certified, 8,000 miles, local trade, clean Carfax. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. All right, got the gray and black door panels, power windows, power locks. Carpet's nice and clean. Got gray cloth seats. Power driver's seat. All right, driver's seat's in great shape. Does come with the keyless entry key fob. Does have remote start. Okay, got your center console here. Plenty of storage. USB port and power outlet in there. Passenger seat cloth is in really good shape. It is an automatic. Got your climate control area here. Push button start. Got your radio display and backup camera and blind spot monitoring camera right here, and we'll show you all that in just a second. Got your Bluetooth and steering wheel audio controls. And then you got your Econ button here. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. All right, it's got 8,224 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, let's go ahead and show you the radio display. Get you back here to your home screen. Okay, these are all your apps. Let's go ahead and engage the backup camera. Let me dim that down for you just a second. There we go. It's got the guidelines on there as well. Okay, we'll put it back in park. Let's go ahead and activate the blind spot monitoring camera. All right, and that just gives you a visual display of your blind spot. All right, once again, got your dual climate controls here. Got the push button start. All right, let's go ahead and hop out. We'll take a look in the back seat. Door panels back here in great shape. Carpet back here nice and clean. Got your rear air, rear heat. All right, there are 3 rows of seats in this Pilot. This is the second row. Cloth's in great shape. Got your cup holders there. All right, and then you can access the 3rd row. Simply pull this lever here. All right, seats slide up. All right, easy access to the 3rd row. Go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Let's take a look in the back. All right, got the nice protector mat here. Plenty of storage underneath. And as you can see, the 3rd row, when it's up, it does cut into the space a bit. You can simply pull these. Seats will come down. It's very easy to do. I'm doing it with one hand here. Now you can see with the 3rd row down, it really opens up the space back here. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. See, we got 18-inch alloys. All right, got the nice gray trim. Tires are in great shape. Plenty of tread left on them. All right, once again, it's a certified 2018 Honda Pilot EX, 8,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, one owner, local trade. This thing's in fantastic condition. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.